And guys, may pugad dito sa grapes namin. Bibidyohan ko sana yung grapes kasi may bunga na. Yung may pugad ng ibon. Ayun yung nanay oh. What you doing, honey? Ha? Ayan yung pugad guys. Tapos iyan medyo malaki na. Ito guys yung pugad niya oh. Look at that. Oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Guys, sinilip ko yung pugad. Mayroon na siyang baby. Oh, he's hungry, honey. Huh?
Don't touch them.
Oh, 3 already.
They're hungry, yeah.
Yeah.
They went there.
Oh my goodness, so pretty.
Maybe so the mama can come back.
Huh?
Maybe so the mama can come back.
Oh,
I hear.
look at that. They're hungry. Pick the grapes and give. Oh my goodness. They are so big already. Look at guys. We look the bird guys and the baby fly away. Look at the nest. It's almost full. And the 2 egg that doesn't hatch is here. Why this is not hatching? It's like it's a baby. It's cracked already, but it's a baby. Honey.
Is it alive?
No, but this one is almost a baby.
No.
But it's cracked.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like rotten already. It's stinky.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the baby chick. A baby bird, but it's rotten. There's another one. Oh.
That's no good. They're rotten.
The baby's gone, but we don't know where is it. The mommy and daddy bird is there. This is the mommy and the daddy bird. Hanap namin yung ibon kasi lumipad. Ang nakita ko naman is a baby rabbit. Ayan siya guys. Look at that. Hello baby rabbit. Ang liit niya pa. You eat the bird? Huh? Where'd that bird go? Oh, look at that. Ayan, nakita ko guys. Oh, oh. Hindi ko alam kung ibabalik ko sa nest o bigay ko sa nanay. Guys, I will put back this one baby that I found in the ground. So, I don't know where's the other 2. So, I hope the mommy see it. Come on, baby. Ayan guys, ito yung asparagus. Kahit pinuputulan ko siya, kinukuha ko yung yung pinakang buko niya, yung mura pa. Ayan, ang lago-lago pa rin niya. Oh. Ayan siya. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Ang taba. Ayan siya guys. Ayan, i-harvest ko yan. Tsaka ito pa. Ang taba-taba niya. Ayan, ang daming putol dyan kasi pinag-harvestan ko na yan. Ayan, ganito yung tsura niya pag pinag-harvestan ko. Oh, yan oh, ang taba. Oh. Ito, pwede pa yung gulayin. Yung pinakandulo. Oh, crunchy. Tapos ito. Simula dito. Oh my goodness. Super crunchy. Pitasin. Itong matabang to. Pitasin din natin. Here. Oh, wala agad. Ito pa. Oh. Ouch. Ayan na, mayroong palabas pa lang, ang taba-taba din. Mga 2 days lang yan. Pwede nang pitasin. Pwede nang i-harvest. Ayan guys, yung aking na-harvest. Nung isang araw may na-harvest din ako. So, isasama ko to dun. Tapos guys, tingnan nyo. May bunga pa lang asparagus. So, tapos sinearch ko sa YouTube, pwede siyang itanim. So, hinihintay ko lang siyang ma-dry. Pero konti lang yung bunga niya. Ayan. So, tatry ko next spring kung tumubo siya itong mga seeds na to. Update sa garden ko guys, na mulaklak at nag-start na siyang mamunga. Ayan guys, this side is the string beans. Nag-start na siyang mamulaklak. Ayan siya. And ayan, nag-start na siyang mag-build ng bunga. And ito, I think this is a cantaloupe. Tumubo lang siya dyan. So, papagapangin ko na lang siya dyan later. And this one is still string beans. This side is cucumber. Ayan siya. And marami na siyang bunga. Ayan, 1. Doon, ayan, bukas pwede na yung i-harvest or other day. Ayan, may maliliit siya. Ayan, maraming bees. And ang dami niyang flowers, especially sa ilalim. Ayan o, ayan yung bunga niya. So, ito ay cucumber. And this side is a watermelon. Ayan. And ayan siya. Meron na siyang bunga. 2. Pinagapang ko guys sa trail yung aking watermelon. Kasi last year, nasa ground siya. Tapos ang daming damo. Oh, mayroon pa palang isa doon. Mayroong insect, kinakain yung leaves. So, first time ko mag-try na pagapangin sa trail. Aalalayan mo nga lang. Ganyan. I-guide mo yung vine. Ayan siya. And this side, ito naman is cantaloupe. Ilang puno siya? 2, 3. 4 na puno ng cantaloupe. Ayan, ang dami rin niyang bulaklak. And ang daming maliliit na bunga. Ayan siya. Ayan. And there's another one. Oh, there's more too over here. Ayan. And lots of flowers. And this side is another cucumber. Pwede na din siyang i-harvest tong dalawan na to. Ang laki na niya. And ang daming flowers too. Ang tawag naman dito is English cucumber. And ganito yan pag baby. Mahaba siya talaga. Ayan. Ayan siya. And that side is sitaw. Also string beans. Look at this. Ang taba-taba nito. And meron akong tanim dyan na zucchini. Favorite namin yan zucchini. And this one, 3 lang. Kasi ang dami niyang mamunga guys. So 3 lang muna tanim ko. Then later on magtatanim ulit ako. Nag-i-start na din siyang mamulaklak. Ayan. This area naman guys is tomatoes. And kasi mga tumubong tomatoes lang yan, hindi siya naka-align. Ayan, oh. Meron sa gitna. Ayan. Tapos yung iba dyan is hinukay ko din. Pinlant ko dito sa tabi ng fence. Pero yung ibang tumubo na malaki na, hinayaan ko na siya. Ayan. So kaya hindi siya naka-align. And ito, tingnan nyo. Ililipat ko yan, kaya lang wala pa akong time. Mga tomatoes din yan tumubo dyan. So, yan muna yung aking update sa aking garden guys. And doon naman sa mga tumubo lang din na sunflower yan. Ayan guys, lulutuin ko yung asparagus with beef. Ang sarap niya kasi with beef. Look at this one, ang haba niya, crunchy.
Titanium Max, ultra precision for ears, nose, brows. Titanium.